Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about which amino acid is actually not amino acid. And I'm not trolling you. Take a look. Here we have 20 amino acids and one of them is actually technically not amino acid. I want to give you a couple more seconds to think which one is not amino acid, and actually this is going to be proline. Take a look at its structure, which is very different from all the rest amino acids. All amino acids have similar structure. They have amino group, they have carboxylic acid group, they have R chain, central carbon or alpha carbon, and also hydrogen, which is here. So to central alpha carbon, 4 groups attached. In each amino acid, only R chain is going to be different and the backbone is going to be the same. So in each amino acid, backbone is going to be the same. But now let's take a look at the structure of the proline. While each amino acid has amino group, proline has imino group. So technically we have to call it imino acid. So amino acid. So this amino acid actually lacks here one hydrogen, which makes it amino acid. So why then we call it amino acid, one of 20 amino acids, just for convenience. It's much more convenient to say 20 amino acids instead of 19 amino acids and 1 amino acid. Plus, its function is similar to the rest, just being a building block of the proteins. What are the properties of this amino acid? So here we have alpha carbon, here's another carbon here, another carbon here, and one more carbon here. And don't forget that usually we also do not show hydrogens. Carbon have to be covalently bound to 4 atoms, so hydrogens are usually not shown in such chemical formulas, but you have to understand that we have here hydrogen, hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here, here, and here. Now you see that this side chain consists of only carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms. And this gives us information that this have to be non-polar amino acid. When R chain of the amino acid consists of only hydrocarbons, this amino acid is going to be non-polar. Another example would be here. You see this R chain also consists of only carbons and hydrogens. So this amino acid also going to be non-polar, as well as all these amino acids. This ring here makes this amino acid rigid, and we can find this amino acid in proteins when proteins makes turns. For example, in beta sheets we can find in such places, and we also can find much more this amino acid in protein structure than you may think. For example, you may expect that each of this amino acid would represent 5% in protein. But in reality, proline, because of its unique structure and function, actually makes about 15% of all amino acid in average protein. Proline is especially abundant in such structural proteins which makes our skin, hair, and nails. And my last note would be that this amino acid is not essential. Our organism can synthesize it. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.